The first page is an intro activity. We have 12 Czech words and we need to match them to pictures. Don't worry, I'll help you. But first, try to pause the video and brainstorm if you have seen these words somewhere in the city. We have words like zastávka, bus stop, autobusové nádraží, bus station, kino, cinema. If you would like to know the answers, you can find them out in the complete video on my Patreon. You can also download the PDF and get access to the audio files for the following practice exercises. I also offer one-on-one lessons via Italki. Check out the Patreon and Italki pages in the description. Divadlo, theater. Letiště, airport. Nemocnice, hospital. Obchod, shop or store. Náměstí, center city or square. Bankomat, ATM. Koleje, dorms, students' dorms, dormitories. Kavárna, coffee place, cafe. And banka, bank. On page 2 we get to the important part. Jak se zeptat? How to ask. Look at these super useful phrases. Repeat after me. Promiňte. Prosím vás. Kde je? And some examples. Zastávka staroměstská, nemocnice, letiště, and so on. Where is the station staroměstská, for example? Hospital, airport, so on. Kde je tady? Restaurace. Where is there a something here? Nevíte, kde je nádraží? Do you know? But literally we are actually saying don't you know? But we don't mean it like that. If I translate it, it doesn't come out the right way. We really want to say do you know, but we are saying it in negative. It's polite. Nevíte, do you know, where the train station is? Hledám nemocnici. I am looking for hospital, for example. Very important grammar note here. After hledám, I am looking for, we use the accusative case. So banka becomes banku. Kavárna becomes kavárnu. Don't stress about the grammar now. Just remember the pattern. Hledám plus the word with a change like A changing into U and E like restaurace changing into I, restauraci. Masculine inanimate and neutral nouns do not change. Then we need to understand the directions someone gives us. Here are the basic direction words. Rovně, doleva, doprava, zpátky or zpět, nahoru, dolů. And the phrase musíte jít, you must go. So musíte jít rovně, pak doleva. You must go straight, then left. Easy, right? But how do we talk about how we get there? That's on page 3. Look, jet tramvají, go by tram. Jet vlakem, go by train. Jet metrem, by metro. Another grammar moment. These words, tramvají, vlakem, metrem, autem, are in the instrumental case, which is the 7th one. It's the case we use for the means of transport. Jedu tramvají. For now, just learn these as super useful chunks. We also have jet na kole, to go by bike, to go on bike, cycle, And jít pěšky, to go on foot. We don't use any preposition in Czech. Jít pěšky. Those are not instrumental examples. Try not to mix them up. Now the best part. Pages 4 and 5 are full of dialogues. These are exactly the conversations you will have in the Czech Republic. I will read and translate them for you. You can also listen to them. Here is the audio file. Just click on the word MP3. Dialog 1. Promiňte, nevíte, kde je autobusové nádraží? Ano, musíte rovně asi 200 metrů, pak doleva. Je před nemocnicí. Děkuji, není zač. Excuse me, do you know where the bus station is? Yes, you need to go straight for about 200 meters, then left. It's in front of the hospital. Thank you, you're welcome. Prosím vás, kde je tady kavárna? Hledáte kavárnu? Musíte jít doprava, na náměstí, pak nahoru ulicí. Vedle je banka. A kde je bankomat? Bankomat je v bance. Skvělé, děkuji. Excuse me, where is the cafe here? Are you looking for a cafe? You need to go right to the square, then up the street. There's a bank next to it. And where's the ATM? The ATM is in the bank. Great, thank you. Třetí dialog, dialog 3. Promiňte, hledám nemocnici. Musíte jít zpátky k hlavní silnici, pak doprava. Nemocnice je za kinem. Je to daleko? Ne, jen asi 5 minut pěšky. Excuse me, I'm looking for the hospital. You need to go back to the main road, then right. The hospital is behind the cinema. Is it far? No, only about a 5-minute walk. Dialog 4. Dialog 4. Promiňte, kde jsou koleje, prosím? Koleje jsou nahoru k centru města, pak rovně asi kilometr, k velké budově. A je to daleko? Pěšky ano, ale můžete jet tramvají. Jakou tramvají? A kde je zastávka? Zastávka tramvaje je 100 metrů rovně a pak doleva. Musíte jet tramvají číslo 9. Musíte vystoupit na zastávce Pomořanská. A pak musíte rovně asi 50 metrů. Koleje jsou hned vedle obchodu. Moc děkuji za pomoc. Není zač, hezký den. Dialog 4. Excuse me, where are the dormitories, please? The dormitories are up towards the city center. Then go straight for about a kilometer to a large building. Is it far? It is if you walk, but you can take a tram. Which tram? And where is the stop? The tram stop is 100 meters straight ahead and then left. You need to take tram number 9. You must get off at the Pomořanská stop and then go straight for about 50 meters. The dormitories are right next to a store. Thank you very much for your help. You are welcome. Have a nice day. Dialog 5. Dobrý den, prosím vás. Hledám letiště. Jak se tam dostanu? Letiště? To je daleko od centra. Musíte jet autobusem. A kde je autobusové nádraží? Musíte jít rovně přes celé náměstí, až uvidíte divadlo. Od divadla jděte doprava. Autobusové nádraží je vedle vysoké banky. A který autobus jede na letiště? To je autobus číslo 100. Odjíždí z nástupiště číslo 8. Perfektní. A poslední otázka. Je na letišti také restaurace? Mám dlouhé čekání. Ano, v odletové hale je velká restaurace. Je nahoru po eskalátorech. Moc vám děkuji, jste velmi hodná. Není zač, šťastnou cestu. Dialog 5. Hello, excuse me, I am looking for the airport. How do I get there? The airport? That's far from the center. You need to take a bus. And where is the bus station? You need to go straight across the entire square until you see the theater. From the theater, go right. The bus station is next to a tall bank building. Which bus goes to the airport? That's bus number 100. It departs from platform number 8. Perfect. One last question. Is there also a restaurant at the airport? I have a long wait. Yes, there's a large restaurant in the departure hall. It's up the escalators. Thank you very much. You are very kind. You're welcome. Have a safe trip. At the bottom of page 5, there's a listening exercise called Ztraceni v Praze, Lost in Prague. You can listen and fill in the gaps. It's the best way to train your ear. Page 6 is a map activity. You read the descriptions of how to get to the hospital, the shop, and the bank, and you have to mark them on the map. Let's do the first one together. K nemocnici. Je to blízko, musíte jít rovně a doprava. To the hospital. It's close, you must go straight and right. So on your map, you find your starting point, go straight, turn right, and mark the hospital. This is exactly the skill you need in real life. Finally, page 7 has the answers. And that's it. You have just completed a full A1 Czech lesson on asking for and giving directions. You learned key phrases, vocabulary, grammar in context, and practiced with dialogues and the map. If you enjoyed this and want more materials like this, worksheets, audios, extra exercises, please consider supporting me on my Patreon. You will get access to this entire library. It really helps me create more content for you. And if you struggle with pronunciation or want to practice speaking, I am a Czech teacher on Italki. Book a lesson with me through the link in the description. We can practice these exact dialogues together. I would love to help you personally. Děkuji moc za pozornost. Thank you so much for watching. Uvidíme se v dalším videu. See you in the next video.